Here we go again, guys. Out for the next adventure. I'll see you at the beach. I have a really good fishing location that I want to show you guys. So if any of you were ever to visit Denmark, go to Funen, near a city called Kerteminde. If you're into nature, if you're into fishing, if you're into camping, hiking or whatever, this is a wonderful place. I really love this. But my fishing location is over there by that forest. So I'll have to bring my kayak, my sit-on-top kayak, and I will put on my wetsuit and then we'll be going. I hope we have good sight at the water, but yes, yeah, the wind is coming towards the beach today, so I don't know. There's a lot of debris in the water, but I guess if we paddle 50 meters out, we'll get some depth and it'll also be more clearer. But as you can see, it's not that bad. It's perfect. It's gonna be wonderful. It's early in the morning, so let's see if the flounders flatfish has coming on lower depths to hunt. Only time will tell. See you on the button. I need my lead, my swimming fins, and then I need my wetsuit. This is just a cheap wetsuit, 1.5 millimeters, that I bought at a store in Denmark called Harald Nyborg. This was really inexpensive. I don't use it that much, so for me this is perfectly fine. But if you're one that go out hunting, underwater hunting, spearfishing a lot, then you'll need one that is thicker. This is okay at the summer. I can be in the water for 1.5 to 2 hours before I get cold. It's inexpensive and I don't have to worry about it if it gets a cut or anything like that. Well, I guess this has shrimped since I used it the last time. It's approximately a year ago. It feels a bit tight. Yeah, but I guess that's just life. Working, having a wife, having 2 kids and a third on its way. Fortunately, we have this. Here we go. Perfect. These are my Crocs. These shoes are perfect for underwater hunting, spear gun fishing. They're easy to carry, lightweight, they float, and yeah, they are really good when you're going from the beach to the water. My wife thinks they are ugly and stupid, but I don't care, I love them. And I use them every day. So if you haven't tried Crocs, give them a go. They're perfect. I'm getting ready. I have a few things I want you to check out. This is the first time I'm bringing a camera while spearfishing. I have this GoPro with a water sealed case. I guess it's a bit rusted, but it came with the GoPro when I bought it used. I know I told you I was going spearfishing, but my spear gun is all torn up. The rubber bands are broken, so I'll be fishing with this today. So that's just yeah, another challenge for me. I have no spear gun, I only have a knife. But if the fish are there, it won't be a problem. And the next thing, I do not have an anchor for this one, so I brought this rubber cordage. My plan is to secure this to the front like this, and this end to my belt with lead. So when I'm diving underwater, the sit on top kayak will follow me. At least that's what I hope. So I'll be doing a lot of experimenting today, a lot of new things that I hope will work out. Hope you enjoy the content. See you out there. Some kind of mark. It could be a stone put on another stone like this. Then I know that's the direction of where my bag is. I've been out diving for 1.5 hours now. I'm getting a bit cold, so I'm gonna call it a day. I haven't seen any flatfish today, so that's just how it is when you go fishing. Sometimes you catch, sometimes you don't, and today I didn't. But I had a great time. It has been a great experience trying out underwater recording. I had some problems, but I solved them. I had to try my sit on top kayak. How does that work for me? How do I keep it close by when I'm diving so it doesn't drift away? But I made a lot of experiences today, and I learned a lot. So for me, that's positive. No fish, that's just how it is. As always, guys, thank you for tuning in. I really appreciate your support, your comments, your likes, and your sharing. Mads from Leaf Outdoor Adventures, signing out. See you in the next one. Let's get in. That was close. This was by far the most challenging episode I've made so far. This was something else. This was open water, it was deep water, it was a lot of equipment, it was diving, it was navigating in the current. This was a hard episode. It was challenging. It gave me a lot of experience. I learned some things the hard way. For example, that you need to test out things maybe on shallow water before they happen on deep water, and also you need to conserve energy because you have to go back too. You can't just take your kayak and paddle one way and then forget about going back and then have no energy left.